Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am solving the problem Canon ImageRunner 2022. You are seeing this video, this horizontal line in this page. I am solving the problem this horizontal line. Please wait and watch full video. Like and subscribe my channel. First we open side cover and then front cover and pull this knob other side and open this screw and slowly pull out your drum unit and remove this pin. You use nose plier or cutting plier and then remove drum and PCR. This is PCR. You see what is this PCR condition. You get new PCR, open it and install in drum unit. PCR is installed and then connect drum in your drum unit. Insert this pin properly. Be careful, drum is very sensitive. And then reinstall the drum unit in your machine and fit the screw and close front cover and side cover. Then take a print. Start button. Print is coming. Now you see print is good or not. Print is good. You see beside number of copies will take